come and hug us.
Okay, Hannah, come here. She wants to be hugged, be. Nako, Diyos ko, Lord. Tatlong nahahati na attention ko sa tatlo. Si Hadasa, si Hannah, at
Here,
Bibi.
I was like that.
Sige na, come on. Hi, Hannah.
Hi.
What did they say?
Mommy.
What did they say about your cupcakes?
Good.
They know that it came from you?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Me and
I forgot to put a name.
Caterpillar are gonna watch I got invited to a birthday.
Oh,
At the
wow.
Hayward
Can I see?
Pool again.
Oh. When is this?
And Mom, look.
Wait lang. When is this, Hadasa?
February 7th.
Ah, oo nga pala, 7. Okay, what's this? Ang sama ng pakiramdam ko, I cannot go to the live group. I'm going to just cook and then they will bring it tonight. Parang hindi na ako a-attend every Friday kasi nasusuka ako ngayon. Tapos, mabigat yung ano ko, yung tiyan ko. My tummy is so heavy now because of the pregnancy. I think I'm not going to attend every Friday. Oh, I changed it for February. Just this. I'm not going to change this for Valentine's Day. Ito na siya, be. Kasi nagsasawa na ako. Okay. They're happy with the cupcakes. This is Hannah. I'm making beda food kasi even if I'm tired, I was still able to take a rest. Wait lang, Hannah. Ate is talking about the cupcakes and I cut her bangs. Kasi nga, this is the bangs here that's longer. It went in, always goes here on the middle. So I told her, let's just not do that style. Kasi parang anime. I was supposed to make an anime style. But let's just make it straight so that it doesn't look like there's one or that's part that's a little bit longer. She said she's surprised because they have cupcake too in school today.
I was surprised.
What did you say, Hadasa? What color was the cupcakes?
It was red velvet flavor and it had
Yeah,
yellow icing.
I still have to send cupcakes for the classmates of Hadasa too and for her teacher kasi I wasn't able to do that yet. And her birthday will be December. Tapos yung birthday video niya, hindi ko pa na-save and edited actually.
Next December.
Yeah, maybe I'll do that on Valentine's Day, be. Adik lang sa nail art. Maybe I'll do that on Valentine's Day. Tapos I cut her hair and then we're cutting her nails too. Okay, all of them had cupcakes today. Buti na lang. Thankfully, I was able to take a rest. Kaya makakagawa na ako din ng rice, pancit, at saka yung pork. Come na. Hannah, did they like the cupcakes?
There he is.
Huh?
Yes.
What did they say? Is it yummy?
They said, Hannah, this is, and one of them said, Hannah, this is the best thing I ever had.
Oh, that frosting?
Yeah.
Did she like the
It
chocolate?
was a boy that said it.
Did he like the chocolate?
Yeah.
It's really yum kasi masarap siya by malinamnam. It's really tasty. Cause that recipe, I got it from a friend. She had a birthday party and then I tried it, be. She have ice cream on it too. Parang lahat yung ganon. Pagtikim ko, ang surap-surap talaga. Hiningi ko talaga ba yung recipe. Ayan. May start na ako ba magluto para tapos na. Buti na lang medyo nahimas-masan na ako. Ayoko talaga pa. The hardest part of pregnancy is 7, 8, and 9 months. Grabe yan, be. Para kang basta unexplainable. Because it's too heavy already. I will get so tired. Okay, off muna natin. Luto muna tayo. Siguro maintindihan naman nila, no? Hindi na muna ako a-attend. I'm not going to attend anymore. Every lang. Ewan ko, baka magtampo kasi sa akin. Pero magluluto pa rin ako. Dadalhin na lang nila. Kasi minsan kasi, alam nyo, may time ba kayo ayaw nyo magsalita? Parang ganun. Meron akong ganung moment, be. Na ayaw kong magsalita. Plano ko nga mag-vlog yung hindi na ako nagsasalita. Papakita ko na lang ginagawa. Please comment down below what's much better. I'll talk or not talk. Hindi, joke lang. Pagdating sa US, try ko yun. Yung mga trend ngayon ng vlogging na no talking. Papakita mo lang yung setting ng place. Tapos, konting salitaan lang. Lalo sa kainan part, yung ganon. Try kayo, be. Pag nagulat, para hindi kayo magulat pagka nilabas ko, yun, di joke lang. Hindi, baka mag-try akong gumawa ng ganon. Wala lang, trip lang. Ayun, minsan ayoko magsalita. Doon kasi nagtatopic after kumain, di ba? Mag-discussion. Pero nakikinig kami ng parang lessons din. Mga 2 to 3 hours yan, be. Eh, parang napapagod ako kasi nga pregnancy, tired. So, I might not attend to the life group up to May. May and June. Kasi ang sakit niya ng, alam ko masakit yan yung katawan ko, tsaka lahat masakit after giving birth, 'di ba? So, I think they will understand, but I'll just go back after. Pag okay na ako, pag magaan yung pakiramdam ko. Kasi ngayon, 7, 8, 9 months, babe, my goodness. Ano na yan, so heavy yung feeling mo. At saka minsan, Tagalog naman to, ano, hindi ko na piniprick yung sarili ko. Check mo yung blood. Kasi pero in 4 times a day, be. So, ang ginagawa kong technique, yung pagkain na bawal, di ko na lang kanakain. Kasi vegetable na lang, tsaka ulam, less carbs, gano'n na lang. Kasi kung everyday kong i-prick yun, be. Pero, short lang yan, para hindi na ako malagot. Ano tawag doon, magre-report sa akin. Hindi, joke lang. Okay. Ayan ba, lechon is really good when you have lemongrass, right? But since I don't have it, I just added this. I will add this. And then I added this one too. Yeah. And if you want to, a little bit of this. Salt and pepper. And the only thing that I have is onion leaf. So, but it's really good if you have lemongrass. Just bake it, oven bake it fast. Sa on top, soy sauce and oil mixture. I will do it first. Then, let's just finish. After I cook, I will show you and then we'll eat a little bit. I can show myself kasi sa dako ako ngayon. Sa dako is like a monster. De joke lang. Okay, let's just do this first. Ayan, be, I'm going, garlic and onion pa pala, be. Garlic, onion, and onion leaf, and then your lemongrass. And then, before you take it out, when it's already cooked inside, yung skin, you, it's optional. Sprinkle it with chicken powder. If you like, but if you don't like, then don't. But usually before I take it out from the oven, I will sprinkle it, tapos let it be cooked more than, like, mga few minutes, ganon. Ayan, let's just do this. Ayan, be. It's onion, leaf, onion, and garlic. I chopped it up. Because it's not the typical lechon. Yung lechon kasi na isa, malawak yan. Ito, binawasan ko na to. If I wanted it to be just a quick one, so I'm just going to lay it flat, skin up, and then have to dry it, so, the skin. The last time I used oil and salt, very crunchy siya, be. Try ko ngayon yung a little bit of salt, tapos soy sauce na may oil. Mix ko sila, tapos yun i-wipe natin. Try ko lang. Hopefully it's still crispy, but I don't know. Let's try it first. And yun lang. And lemongrass. If you have lemongrass, lagay mo dyan ka. So, I don't have. It's hard to find it. So, let's finish this. Ayan, be. And then, I've sprinkled a little bit of salt, but the other side, may salt talaga yan, diba? Okay, we're done. Let's try to bake this. Ayan. Yung bottom part niya yung crispy, be. We'll just take a video later when we put it on top of the pancit. Ayan, I just cook it 1.5 hours, be. Of course, there should be a taste test. It's crispy. I tried the other one. Tapos, I was like, why didn't I, hindi ko pinakita. Ay, ang sarap. Kaso, hindi maanbi. Huwag na nga yan. Maliit na lang. Ito. Yan na lang. Okay. Yan, here's our pork. Let's try. Crunchy. Di ba masarap yan, be? Combination. Okay. Ayan siya, be. Let's try. Wala akong fork eh. Let's just use this. Where's the crunchy part? I think it's more crunchy if it's just oil and salt, be. Next time, that's what I'll do. Kasi, I flipped it. But even if it's just, may soy sauce to. So, next time, just oil and salt on top. So, it's really super crispy. Crispy pa rin naman. Kasi, when I sliced it, I flipped it. I put this down. So, the last time, I cut it like that. Tapos, I used scissor. So that it's easier to cut. So, yeah, it's really good. Oh, but the color of this is dark because of the soy sauce. I don't know. Maybe next time just salt and oil. The skin so that it's crispy. Ayan, we're done. There's rice, there's pancit. Ayan, meron tayong tortang talong. Ayan. Ayan, bae. Yan yung sa atin. Ako yung walang yung tired but will still eat. I'm going to eat. Kasi alis na sila. Ayan. Isa lang yung sa akin. Ang tamis nito, bae.
Then in the middle.
Ang ganda niya pagka home bake. Ang dami. And affordable, bae.
Dots.
But next time, pwede rin yata yung condensed milk, no? Tapos lagyan mo ng chocolate, tapos butter. Pang frosting.
It's tiny. I swirl in the middle. I'm so excited.
We will put the chocolate.
Yeah.
Ready? Be careful. I'm
I'm
excited.
making daddy's right now.
Does she know how to, where's hers?
Get
Okay.
more. This one is for dad. He said this was his new favorite.
Mm. Cute pala to, be. Oh, yung parang ganyan, no? Mahirap kasi yung frosting nito,
Oopsie.
but it's okay. Natanggap ko na yung frosting niya ganyan talaga.
One more.
Okay. You say thank you for watching, beautiful friends.
Thank you for watching, beautiful friends.
We love you. Take
I
care.
love you. Take care.